Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Kublay phi baru kini gilong ki khubor bam da kasni Balay ka jubja khna manta kumne ka poi ka dei na ka e ka daw kala banlong shisin balaja layo khubor sngusi bamdan shu nagani ka sla prathai Ukhun swet khun rangli ba news nem karta bamdan kmishu nagashnong nongra dong lum marbo block fu ulaja rangai nala phlau ying nadu kapor saubaji kat kum gajing itu ki bahaying jong ute ukhna kabas ngosi ya kalong yang ute ukhna balalap ya kamen nakawe ka jaka balatip kum kalum rumnong henne kasngi palei kabadon harut surok marjan bar ka khlau maupan kaban poi shani grims ute ukhna ubakarteng kum Kyrshanbor Kharmudai ubalaja klep ha ka janmit jang ka pratrik urisau na lum marbo block fu nongra shillong Lalap ya kamet utei ukhna dagi nong ya lenti berkindit banyo i ya kate la pentip no syaki pulit ka renja police station. Na kaliang kaying utei ukhna kamesan kabari basumar kay thu ba Kyrshanbor Kharmudai ulaja na phelau por sau baji kapor Aisha bar kala perta ya u umsyam thi kumta kamesan kala pentip no syaki borsnong ringkat barki pulit ka renja police station Kila pelong ya kejengwat banyak baru simit ringkat bagi borsnong barki pat ba nong song snong. Tad hadin kat ar kenta balaja baya wat snong layo khubor balalap ya kamet kumta ki pulit kilalej ban simti kamet ban ne kat kum basya ka an. Shu ki arngut ki SP ke Shillong City ban East Castle District kila poisya ketika jaka ban pinkit no sya hospital nei Grims ban le ya ka postmortem. Habayo banyakran bar USP East Castle District uba Vivex MIAS uyathu kipulit kila pelong mador ya kajing tokit halor kani kajing yam uni Heprit bar kani menta kadang ya chakman bad ya ketika jaka kablalap ya kamedyap jong uni Heprit la kerkut no katba katanat forensik kadang lum ya kisabun kibadon ha ketika jaka banap ya kidautun rai halor kajing yap jong Kyrshanbor Kipulit kila pentip ru syaki bahayeng bahasem halor ka jenglap ya kawai kamet yap jong ukhna berki bahayeng bahasem haba kila wanpet kila pat dot not ban yoi bakade kamet yap jong ubait bathon ujongki Kyrshanbor Kharmudai.
Yes, it is a boy of a 7-year-old boy who went missing from Lumarbo, Nongra, and all teams are here. CSU, FSL. From Norman Song, Maudiang Liang, SP's office, special cell, all here in the PO. It is a confirmed case of homicide. We will be registering a case and investigating on the matter.
Was there any mark in his body that points toward being a murder?
Yes, I said this. I said this. All indications of it being a homicide. Postmortem will give a clearer picture of the kind of injury. From then on, we will be able to proceed with our investigation.
How do you see this? Is it a coincidence that two missing case now would found to be dead? Is it a coincidence or whether anything?
Right now, I cannot see a connection. It could be an isolated case because the accused of the first case has already been ascertained and identified. But nonetheless, we will actually investigate and find out everything into the matter.
Will the SIT investigate into this also?
We will sit down and this also will warrant the requirement of an SIT because it is a child who's been murdered and an SIT where many expertise are there, many officers are involved, has always borne fruit. So there's all likelihood of an SIT being formed.
How would you view this incident has created concerns among citizens? How do you view this situation?
See, it is a matter of concern. It pains all of us, and from such incidents, we should draw lessons that we should number one, children have to be looked after upon, monitored. Number two is that we should take precautionary measures of having CCTVs, lighting in the area, children loitering around. Somebody should, be it from local stakeholders or anybody, should actually see that a child who actually is moving around, inform 112, which is our emergency number, so that we can take necessary action, take them to Childline and all that, identify the parents or guardians.
One last question during your primary suspension. Was the murder committed at him or the body was done?
We can't say, but by the look of it, I think the body was placed out here only. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kung basnang ta ni dapat lagi sosi no cuma basnang ni kan manja begini maka tadi ike kami pa sebagai macam begini cuma baca ini
So,
man yo I tang hadin lai ta yo mo lai jai ti Heprit ba saus nan dei ti te ga shnung ka nadu ba ja ka to ga jing ja ti Heprit na ka shnung ka kala kami perking na ka kum mal bani ibe man ta ro kala ban ja
na kalian kasnam ni long meeting dalam berbag ni ngai bangirai ni na kasnam kena was ingam na ban itu press mentah maka kita ni pindon tiba ni tashim show na dia ni kan nila ada ko ta ngasa penting
pyniap dari CCTV bekiwi ke jeng pahara saya ban pensingan kesenang si light ni kita
jadi mungkin dia pemilong dorbar hadin baca itu film agak dorbar nila request CCTV bro dibala mana pot banbu CCTV bakin bu bakin fokus ya kuai kasudah pada Jibril nila bar fight by kiba dan hayin bukan guna harus surat kin bu kalau pensyah surat nah kalian ka isi yang kesenang nila ya kerpat Jibril bersama senang kini rap ini bagi babu
dia politik umno ya kena jengja ba
kan yang tip menmit hadin nak kalian kami pa kira pertip sa dirang badang pun yang menmit
dem tas ni mesti tepat
Nonton mesti mayo jijik ni, nah kiwe kat jenis becam senang, lah yang balap met sini, mesti panggil ayam nak kalian senang.
kadon ka jing subai kumbai small fi hat ba fi don bagi he pole fi don ka jing suba ba na usha pyniap ne ka dei kumnon
Dia kata tu ngam solat benang kulit kita ngalak keli tam yang kita investigate tindak pus macam, berat nonton apa yang sedih.
ini kena di basa hai exactly ba
Isa halu marbo,
marbo
blok trik,
hai klep su
seni gel. Lisbon biru.